Stamps that fit inside stamps? What is this sorcery? Hello, font fixationists, welcome back. I feel like it's been forever, but here we are and I'm happy to have you. Today is so exciting. I know I say that every single week, but today really is so exciting because it's fall, y'all, and I cannot wait to show you some of the stamps. Okay, so first, you probably saw what launched this week, yesterday. You probably saw what launched yesterday. It was these. Font Fixation is doing two new things. Stamp sets that fit inside stamp sets. What? And truckloads of stuff. Like, that seems so no-brainer, and yet we've never done that before in the stamping community. How is that not a thing? So the truck that Font Fixation sells, the pickup truck in the Fat Bottom Shank, is designed to carry a load of stuff. Every season, Font Fixation will be launching a new Simple Dimple, which is 5.5 millimeters, that fits inside the bed of the truck. So this season, fall, is pumpkins, and so there is a truckload of pumpkin Simple Dimple designed to fit inside the bed. And then we'll have Christmas trees, and then spring things, and summery things, and I'm so excited because you really can build onto what you already have. So you buy the truck, but then you're only spending $15 each season to get the new thing that fits inside the bed of the truck. How exciting is that? The pumpkin faces, what? You can change your pumpkin faces. That's so exciting also. So I see this happening with snowmen. I see this happening with, well, we'll play. We'll play. I don't want to give away too much. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to stamp the faces inside the pumpkin and how to stamp the load of pumpkins inside the bed of the truck. And I know some of you are like, man, I don't know if I could line that up. That doesn't seem like it would look very good if I did it. I promise, it's way easier than you think. Give yourself some credit. You're better than you know. Let's put our hair up and go get started. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to use the open, hollow looking pumpkin thing. It's the Simple Dimple that is designed to be used with the jack-o'-lantern faces and the tiniest cattail that was launched during the fishing Simple Dimple launch. So this is just a couple of tiny cattails I'm going to put around to look like sprigs of whatever they look like. I don't know, grass, hay, I don't really know. Can you guys see that? Pumpkin, sprigs of stuff, pumpkin, cattail, pumpkin. And I'll do a cattail right here, and a pumpkin, and a cattail. Bear with me. 4 pumpkin faces. Need 4 pumpkins. So there's the 4th pumpkin. Boom. And now I'll grab the faces. So I'm not even really using the tape here. I'm using the reflection in the metal to see where I want the face to go. I'm putting the stamp down at the bottom, then pushing it to the top. And it doesn't really need to be centered because you guys, these are just faces on a pumpkin. I mean, those never look right? And even though I'm just sort of throwing them on there, they still kind of look centered almost. So, and I didn't mess around with it. I didn't really struggle. I'm going to throw a moon in here. I just looked at the reflection, put the bottom of the stamp down, pressed down on the top of the stamp, and then made the impression. And I'm going to use the 3 millimeter Peony Bloom Swirls Flourish thingies to look like vines. I don't really think there's a wrong way to do any of this, because vines are kind of Riley? No, they're sort of everywhere anyway. So some are going to go up, some are going to go down. I think the curlier ones look better as vines. And yes, you can use the 4 millimeter Peony Blooms Flourishes, they're just longer. I'm going to throw some here on this last pumpkin, and then we'll Break out some little leaves, put those guys on, call it a day. So there were 3 sizes of leaves that launched. These are the smallest ones. I can't remember when we launched these. Summer? Just before summer? Spring? Not really sure. But I'm just going to put these, this is the same leaf over and over again. I'm just putting it right side up, upside down, right side up, upside down. Now I'm going to grab the other leaf real quick. I don't really even, I think they're the same exact leaf. But just to show you, right side up, upside down, right side up, upside down. Just throw them, I don't know, happy little leaves. One here, one there. I think they look cute when they're in 2s. That's cute, right? I don't know, there, there, there. Cool. Almost finished. A couple more leaves. We'll call it complete. 1. And nope. Take off the tape. There it is. Can you guys see that? Look at the faces. That was the easiest thing ever. I'm going to grab my aluminum and we'll do the truck. That side looks better. We'll put the tape down just so that we can line up the wheels on the truck. Go round and round, round and round, round and round. So now we're going to line up the wheels. There. I'm going to use the tilt and tap. Tilt. Here's a tap. And tilt, tilt, tilt. Tap, tap, tap all the way around. Now I'm going to take the tape off and line it up with the bed of the truck, but I'm still leaving the line of the bed so that I can feel it with the stamp. So the tape is down, but you can still see the line of the bed of the truck. That's important. I'm going to line up the bottom of the simple dimple with the groove of the bed of the truck. I'm going to slide up, feel when it catches. It just caught. There it is. Clicked in place, and one whack. Done. That easy. Didn't have to mess around with it. Not a struggle. Totally, almost entirely by feel. That's blurry. Let me back up. There we go. Can you guys see that? Totally lined up perfectly. See how easy that was? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm so glad you guys took the time to join me today. Hopefully it was helpful, and I want you to make sure that you stay tuned to this channel, subscribe to wherever that little button is. Maybe it's on whichever side the button is on. Subscribe, please, because we're going to be coming out with new videos, hopefully on a more consistent basis, and they're designed to help you guys out. Subscribe, like, share with your friends, all the stuff. See us on Facebook. Make sure you join our page there. We constantly have free stamp Fridays where we give away a free stamp to a lucky winner. Free set Fridays when we have new stamp sets that are coming out like next week. And on Instagram, make sure you hashtag font fixation whenever you use our stamps. We love to see your creations and we love to comment when we see them. So Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all the places, stuffs and things. See you there. Good morning, font fixationists. Welcome back. I feel like it's been forever. Did you hear that child screaming? I'm gonna start again. There's a kid outside with squeaky shoes. I don't think you guys can hear it, but it's absolutely distracting me. All right. I think it's over. Let's begin.